GM friends, Anthony from ARIO here, showing you how to redelegate your ARIO tokens to a different gateway with the ARIO network portal. It's quick, easy, and supports quality gateway operators while earning you ARIO tokens. Let's dive in. First, head to the ARIO network portal at gateways.ar.io. My wallet is connected, and then we'll head over to the staking tab where all the action happens. You'll see the amount of tokens that I have staked and the rewards that I've earned over the last 14 epochs. There's also a list of gateways where my tokens are staked. I've got all my tokens staked with the Oro Data Gateway, and they've been earning me some rewards, but I want to diversify. Click the ellipse menu on the right and select Redelegate. Choose the gateway that you want to redelegate to. You can search a gateway by name or sort it by reward share, total stake, or EAY. That's estimated annual yield. I'm going to sort by that and scroll for a gateway that I vibe with. These look good. These look okay. I'm going to keep scrolling though. ARIO Speedwagon. That's something I could get behind. I've got 16,131.5 ARIO tokens to redelegate if I want. But I just want to square up my numbers. So I'm going to enter 6,131.5 ARIO tokens here and click Review. This modal shows me where I'm redelegating stake from and to. Redelegating ARIO stake is free once a week. Each additional redelegation before 7 days comes with a fee of 10% up to 60%. That goes back into the protocol balance. I select Redelegate. I sign the message in Wander. And now I've got some stake in the ARIO Speedwagon. I'm fueling a different part of the first permanent cloud network. Redelegating is a breeze once you understand it, and is something that all delegated stakers should know how to do. If you've got questions, join the ARIO Discord, or reach out to us on X. Keep supporting the network, and we'll see you on the permaweb. Happy staking!